Hi, I'm Seong Sang. I'm project manager of our consultancy project implementation team. So I would like to introduce a little bit on our ERP. We have finance module, sales, purchase, inventory, and manufacturing module. So all this module is interlinked, connected to each other because we need the sales to plan for our manufacturing to fulfill the sales order, and we also need to plan for the material inbound so that we have enough material to fulfill our sales. So I would like to focus a little bit of our manufacturing because our manufacturing, our strong suit is the BOM, so that we can let you exactly plan on how much material and how much cost is needed to produce a certain amount of finished good. So all this information will be inside our ERP so that you are able to make the right decision. Of course, wastages will also be calculated inside so that you will have a very accurate analysis on what are the wastages, what are the raw materials needed, and what are the costs needed to produce each finished good, where you can effectively estimate your cost so that you will be efficient on your pricing in your sales. So if you need more information or you are interested to know more, you can kindly contact us, and then we will do our best to help you in the most efficient way as possible.